Where?
Tay-tay.
Okay.
Upon arrival, may mga staff na agad na mag-a-assist sa inyo. Then this board, dito nila nilalagay yung schedule ng activity for that day. Pagpasok namin sa lobby si Kenneth, dumiretso na agad sa front desk to check-in. May dalawang couch dito na you can stay if you're early for the check-in time or you can explore outside. May story behind tong booking namin. It should be the week before, pero kasi because of the severe flooding in Metro Manila, hindi na kami naka-go through. So we contacted the hotel and then asked if we can rebook. So they were so nice not to give us rebooking fee. So here's our room. We booked the deluxe family room and here's inside. First, we have the bathroom here on the left side. So in the bathroom,
Bathtub, and then there's bath bombs there.
that's for Sia. Yeah, that's for Sia. Towels.
I'm
And
super excited to use the bathtub.
already
Yeah.
because of the
Bath bombs. And they have thing here.
yeah, that's the
Go
bath
ahead and show it.
bath bomb.
Yeah.
And then here,
Here's the bedroom. This is the coffee station. And there's a small fridge.
yeah,
And it's lots of drinks, but it costs money. So there's two beds here.
one single bed.
And one single bed, and there's a double bed, and I'm gonna sleep here, a single
Okay. Beside the single bed is the
cabinet. It's a big cabinet.
big cabinet.
There's some free slippers too.
Yeah. They also have
And daddy's.
for sale snacks and small balcony. Bumaba muna kami kasi gusto nito mag-swim. While si Ate Brie, may tutorial pa siya kasi malapit na yung quarter exam.
Video today I'll do my own new freestyle.
Freestyle. Yeah, she's gonna swim. That's how. I will tell you to coach. You're not doing it properly. I'll tell you to coach. Again. Again. Crazy. Freestyle, babe. One more. Can you do the proper freestyle first? And then show them your tricks. But freestyle first. Go. Show them. Freestyle, okay? Okay, go.
Hello guys, welcome to my video today. I'll do my freestyle.
Okay, freestyle, okay? Good job. Now go back. Good job.
So we're gonna go on a walk now.
Yeah, we're gonna check the amenities.
Yes! I get to I want to go to the playground. I want to go to the playground. And my sister wants to go to the playground.
Your sister wants to go on the playground here.
Let's go back to I hope later when we done. Ready to dance. Hi, Rams!
Going.
So we're gonna go to the playground. Yeah.
Okay.
We're at the elevator. Yeah. I think after.
Let's check this side first.
Are you recording?
Yes, let's
So,
check
like,
this side.
After going here, we're gonna go meet our cousins. I wanna go to the claw machine. Yeah, we go to the claw machine. I miss claw machine. We have basketball.
Oh, this is their playroom.
Can we go in?
Yeah, go.
Yeah, this is straight again.
Go.
We're at Sky Ranch now, and we're gonna meet our cousins. Yeah.
And we're gonna have dinner in Amare, La Cocina. Upon checking, sarado na pala yung Amare dito. Hindi ko lang alam kung matagal na silang sarado. Pero yeah, they're close. Yung sa Tagaytay branch nila, ay sa Sky Ranch. Heading to Mamalos instead. Let's see. Hindi na namin na-record yung mga food. Pero dito sa menu nila, this is the Italian one. Meron din silang other menu na Filipino food which we ordered.
Dito ka ba? Magpapalit na ako ng...
After ng mga kids bumili ng boba sa Macau Imperial, nakita namin si Groot. Super proud kami kay Dam kasi hindi na siya takot. Takot kasi siya sa mga mascots, lalo na yung mga ganyan na malalaki. So after namin sa Sky Ranch, nag-decide kami na mag-coffee muna. Meron malapit sa Sky Ranch na Starbucks. Before mag-Starbucks si Raya na medyo konti lang yung tao. Ito yung nasa tapat ng Primark. Medyo maliit lang siya. Pero hindi siya crowded katulad ng ibang Starbucks dito sa Tagaytay. Hey, back at the hotel. This is what the hotel looks like at nighttime.
Hi, Mama. They're so nice. Look at the note. It says, "Greeting. Hi, since you are not in your room, we miss giving milk and cookie to your kid. If you wish to have it served, we would be happy to attend to your request. Please feel free to let us know by calling the reception at dial 0 until 10 in the evening. Please. Guys, we got the milk and cookies. It's Oreo cookies and some milk. I'm not sure what milk it is yet.
It's the next day and we're here for the breakfast buffet. Here's the menu for this day.
Wow.
So now we're off to the mini farm. Busog na, hindi na natin mapakain. Tahol, no. They're quacking already.
You call it the tahol because they sound
May mga staff na dito na mag-a-assist sa inyo kung magpapafeed kayo ng ducks, ng bunnies, ng goats, or magra-ride ng horse. And you can always charge it on your room and pay it upon checkout, or you can pay on the front desk.
Dom!
No! I don't want!
Doon ka kay Mami, Dominic.
Why? Ay, ka-watch na lang tayo.
The brown one. Where's the small one? Where's the small one? Where's the small one?
Ayun, na kay Mami.
Is your feet here? You can touch it though. Oh, I already touch here.
Here mo, i-hold. Like that. There, oh, sa likod mo, wawa naman.
I want the babies. Oh, guys. Your hair is so pretty. I'm quiet, mommy quiet. What's his side? Isa lang sa.
And there's the sheep.
Kasi ka doon sila.
There's the ano. There's the dagat.
Stop. Hi, goat. Hi, goat. Hi, goat.
Oh,
Hello, Goat.
Nagulog ako.
here mo hawakan.
Dito mo siya sa top para mag-stand up ka.
Malapit ka na. Here yung isa.
Mukha siyang dog yung isa pa.
Ay, aggressive tong itim. Lalaki.
Inaagaw niya.
Yeah.
Ano ni Hab?
Dandahan ha. Dandahan. Hala. Ano eh pag... Hey.
Muna, bigyan agad lang.
Ano inaagaw niya?
Ayun na yung mga shit.
Nope. Hindi na to.
Huwag ka kasi mang away, boy. Mga away kay.
Boy. Kaya boy.
Ayan, Hailey. Sa taas, Dom.
Ako dito sa ano. Ako din. Can you give me long? Can you give me long? Wow.
Hindi magkaiba?
Long stick.
Ayun, doon na,
Hey. Wait. Wait. Hey, no!
Huwag mo na nga. Mga away. Ay! Ano yung tag niya? Yan, kasi.
Hab. Dad.
Doon ka, dito ka.
Can I have? Hindi. Ako na mag-ano sa kanya. Kami, dito ah. Dito. Punta boy.
Yan na lang, Dom. Insert mo na lang yan. Kasi hindi sila makatayo. Dati, okay lang. Ito malis sa'yo. There, Dom, hold mo here, anak. Mga away nga yan. Huwag ka mang away, boy.
Ako na lang yan.
Search siguro nila. Kasi ang dami naman damo eh.
Wait, throw it like that. Can I have? Ay! Ay! Shoot. Uy!
Lalaki, parehas naman babae eh.
Hindi lalaki ito may suma na.
Eh, ba't may
I want
dede?
some boy.
Yun yung ano.
Ay, may dede.
Ito, dede, ba't
Half ba ako?
Ako muna, ma'am. Ako muna po.
Dito ako na.
Dito na lang po, ma'am. Kasi naman po dito sa dito. Akala po, ma'am. Ganyan ka ano po, ma'am. Ako po.
Tara ka doon.
Hi. Dom.
Smile naman. Picture muna tayo bago.
Ba't naglag? Lalaki.
Love picture muna.
Check ko kayo. Oh, 1, 2, 3. My Dom. Again. Okay. Bye, Dom. Bye.
Bye.
Excuse me. Anong name nito, kuya?
Kimi po.
Kimi?
Ako, ma'am.
Oh, hi, Kimi. Yeah, Kimi.
Hi, can we?
Where's this girl? Not anymore.
Bilang. Makati tayo. Ha? Oh, bilang.
Wala na sila?
Doon, sa back.
Sabay-sabay tayo. Hindi mo lang.
Try it first, try. Babe, wait.
I'm shaking.
Go.
Ikaw tigisin ko up. My foot won't go up. My foot won't go up. Oh my gosh. I fall. It's so scary.
There. Good job, ate. Go na, no?
Go down.
Go na! Yung katulad kanina yung naka-turn. Oh, kaya mo yan. Turn ka muna. Yan. Parang stairs. Go. Kaya yan. There.
Let's do it. Let's walk in.
You know what? You're sitting on the wheels, babe. You're having fun? Are you having fun?
Having fun with you.
Meron na.
Go, Dad. Say go, Dad.
Go, Dad.
Come here, come here.
Ready, set, go. Go. Go.
Yes.
Para kang nag-dive ng pag... Alam mo yun?
Ang galing mo sa Tower of Hell, tapos. You bend a little more.
I can't. I can't. Mom, can you give me 2 coins? Give me basketball there. Ah, ako na lang? Need. Hi. Is he there? Up there? No, someone's there. Hello, welcome in a party. It's our carnival. Dom's the clown. Mommy. So you're the clown. I'm the acrobat. And one who will be the pumpkin dummy. You're the one saying jokes. Go. Guys, what did the sauce say to the sushi? What? It's really dead. No, it's wasabi. Wasabi. Okay. Your turn. You say joke because you're the clown. Joke. No.
That's funny. That's funny.
Hi guys, so we're ordering lunch now. I'm gonna get like this one. I'm drinking Mama Mama jelly cubes. I'm drinking Mama jelly cubes. But my parents are cute. Mom, say hi. Don't say hi. Hi.
Pinamisan.
Okay, bye. Hey guys, so now we're at the kitchen and we're like waiting for our food. And Dominic is tying her hair. See, say hi. Say hi. Okay, she doesn't wanna. So we have like our one food now. I'll show you my one food. The food we bought sabaw. See, and then we also have this chilies. Oh, Mom, move. I'll come back to you. It's some before other foods arrive.
Go. Yes. Excuse me, anak. Yan yung sa'yo, anak. Yummy daw. Yes.
Yeah.
You want this? Okay. Wait mo yung session mo. Meron ka pa.
Lapit mo yung ano yung plate mo sa'yo. Yun na, meron ng umiiyak.
I'll give you mine.
Umiiyak na. Ba't ka umiiyak? Natapon.
I'll give you mine.
Go, fix mo na muna, Hailey. Baka meron pang pwedeng masalba dyan.
Hindi naman sila kaya kung ano.
Wala, nakita ko na. Hindi naman.
Baka may si ano yung pinigilan mo siya.
Wala, nakita ko na nga kanina eh.
Wala nang dalawa.
Ano nangyari? Ha? Ha? Tingin? Tingin nga. Paano yung natapon agad yung kakabukas lang na chocolate? Iyak.
I did mong open.
Oh, put mo there. Sa ano, ibalik mo dun. Balik mo dun, anak. Balik mo dun sa lagayan para meron ka pa mamayang chocolate. Saan nilagayan niya, be? Ilalagay niya, may hawak pa siya eh. Hindi.
Atin mo lang siya.
Ay, ata na lang rin.
Marami ba na, boss? Ayan na, natapon agad. Dominic. O, ang gusto ni Dominic, balit na sila. Huling-huli ka dito, be. Huling-huli ka sa camera talaga. Paglaki mo talaga, papapanood ko sa ito. Dito nagmana yan. Kanina nagmana. Dito, kanina umaga ito yung may ano. Ito yung mayroong may sumpong. Umagang-umaga na ang lungkot-lungkot. Ngayon naman tangal ito. Ito mamayang gabi. Mamayang gabi naman to. Palitan sila. Masaya to ngayon eh. Masaya to ngayon. Ito naman. Ha? Tama na.
Wait lang, babe.
Dom, let's go na. Let's go na, anak. Slip ka muna, uy. Wala, ayaw. Here. Go, race. Left. Go. Go, go, go. Again.
Hey! Hey! Let's inhale! Hey! 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 Hey!
Ano mo nang gagawin? Playground. Ganun ba ako? Oo, yan. Saan ka? Dom? Ha? O, go na. I-play na. Oo. Hmm? Dom, happy ka, Dom? Ha? Happy ka? Ba't tayo mo mag-swimming?
Para hindi ako basa pag magbo-bonfire.
Magbe-bonfire ka?
Yeah.
Boy Scout ka ba?
Ano?
Ay, hindi. Ano? Joke yun.
Okay.
Ba't nag-exercise ka?
Hindi ko alam.
Anong exercise yan?
Naglalakad.
Nakakapagod?
Hindi.
Kunwaring exercise? Si Dominic ayaw na.
Ano ginagawa nito?
Wala, ewan ko dun. Nandun lang nakatayo.
Why?
Ayaw ko dun. Si Dom, bored na bored na. Ayan. Bored na ang iyong kapatid. Dom!
Dam!
Dindidiri pa. Papanood natin to sa kanya. Dom, ano ginagawa mo, Dom? Yan si Mami. What? Ayun na si Mami. Kumuha si Mami ng towel. Ayun na yung damit para mapalitan na siya. Dahil pagkalusong niya, ayaw na rin niya agad. Ito nag-exercise. Exercise ka pa din?
Hindi naman to exercise. Swing lang.
Ano sa'yo lang? Water.
Water.
Mami, ma'am!
Cold.
Dad!
What?
Dad! Pwede kami ni Don
Ano lang?
sa malaki? Hindi rin kasi ako dito.
Ha?
Kung bata to.
Harap yan? Harap? Lata.
Lalo siyang nachos.
Nachos?
Where's the baby? Give me one.
Ayaw mo yun.
The brown one?
Ayaw may beef.
I want to get a lot of beef.
Ano masasabi mo sa nachos?
Sarap siya, pero masyado madami. Parang konting beef, so good. It's good, pero over ano ng sauce. But that's good.
No, yung sauce kasi nasa taas. Yung nasa baba walang sauce.
But there's less beef. I'm sad. Because I want lots of beef.
Ikaw, Dom, harap? Anong masasabi mo sa nachos?
What can you say about the nachos? Nothing.
Bayat, pero yummy.
Mama, you want to tell?
Let's go, let's go. Let's go, Naili. Gas siguro. Amoy mo? Wala akong naamoy.
Parang 100 pesos.
Yan, ano ba yan? Yan. Huli ka dito. Laundry detergent daw. Yan ilagay para mapoy yung kahoy. Ano? Ano ulit?
Wala.
Ang galing. Laundry detergent. Yeah, this one. Wait mo lang muna, Dom. Wait lang, nag-ano pa si Kuya, okay? Go, Dom. Huwag mo daw sa ano, ayaw ni Mami. Kasi may white, yung white may mo yung nilalagay nila Kuya para magkaroon ng apoy. Huwag nilagay mo inside, sa taas lang. Okay? Ha?
Hindi kasi nito lang tao. May burn.
Yeah, you turn mo. What? Oh.
Kita ba tayo? O masyado?
Bilis mo masunog.
Yeah. Ay, wag mo masyado.
So, ano? Ito, pwede mo tanggalin yung skin, ha?
Yeah.
Dali naman ako.
It's so body to burn.
You want some more? Last one. Wala na. I'll make you one.
Sarap yan pag ganyan, bago ano.
Ano yung butas?
Super soft na eh.
Ang buhay na ito. Dula. Smells bad. So, it's probably
Balik na tayo dyan.
yeah, let's go.
Ano?
Yeah, I know what. If I mix it with Ma'am, black na yung labi nila. Ma'am, black na. Lips niya. Dad. Ang wala dito.
Gusto mo mag-stairs? Hailey! To tap it? You want to tap it?
Yeah.
Alin itatapit mo? What?
Kami na video mo yung time na sabi niya joke.
Love excuse. 1, 2, 3. More
Oo.
You don't count. No, you count first. You gotta count Count properly. Look down.
Wala dito. Dalawa lang kayo. she?
I see you. I know where you're hiding already.
Kanin. Parang same lang kahapon. Ah, may pansit. Okay, go ka muna kay mami. Okay. Go ka muna kay mami, anak. Ang sa tao ngayon, ah. Ay, meron ulit na ito, eh. May bacon? Ayaw niya. See, it's easy.
How can you go down? How can you hold me?
Put one foot down. The other foot.
Down.
Next.
Down.
Yeah.
Down.
Ano din? Same lang, same lang. Punta na ulit kami doon sa mga... Saan tayo pupunta, Dom? Sumpong na. May sumpong ka, Dom? Ha?
No.
Sumpong. Ikaw, may sumpong ka.
Wala.
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 Dom. Dominic. Let's go na, Hili. Nandun na si Mami. Dom, let's go. Dom. Merong ano? Deadpool?
Deadpool.
May Deadpool daw.
Mas meron malalaki dito.
Huwag mo masyado yung point para di will not fight. Ay, ayun na yung tao. Ayun na. It's sinking already over there. It's sinking. It has little bit na but it still has tail. No na, under na.
Saan? Hindi ko rin makita.
Wala na, umilalim na. Let's go back later. Come on.
I want a frog. I love frogs. I love frogs so much.
Tapos na sila kumain. Inom naman.
We're just walking.
And the other dogs clean like that? Okay.
We're just cleaning it like this.
No. I don't want like that. Hey, wow. This is funny. Oh, it is. No, baby.
Kung gusto nila eh. No? Dom. Dominic. What? What? You want what? Ice cream
Yeah.
or bread?
Again. Ice cream. Again.
Snack.
Nope. Ice cream.
Oh, you need to go there kay ate if you want ice cream. May ice cream si ate. Let's go. Get me in slippers mo, yun no?
Let's get the sunny here.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye ka muna. Ano yan, Hili?
Ice cream.
Burger siya.
Rocky Road.
So, at yung isa gusto din. Oh, give.
Sobrang daming tao kanina dun sa horseback riding nung morning. So, we've decided na after checkout na lang kami mag-horseback.
Here, babe. Bye.
So, that's it for our Hotel Kimberly adventure. See you on the next one. Bye!